Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable parental controls on YouTube. YouTube estimates that more people use their mobile app than their web version. That's why you should set different parameters and restrictions on YouTube mobile's app. With various parental control settings like the restricted mode, you can add an extra layer of safety for your child's safe viewing experience. Not just that, we'll also talk about settings different reminders and bedtime features to stop your little ones from overusing the platform. First, open YouTube app on your child's phone and navigate to User Profile. Now, tap the settings at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on General and toggle on the restricted mode at the bottom. Then, if you want to set a break reminder for your child, tap on Remind Me to Take a Break. Now, set a time frequency when you want YouTube to remind your child to take a break from the app and tap OK. You'll see now the set timer on the screen. Similarly, if you want to set a bedtime for your kid, tap on Remind Me when it's bedtime. Finally, set the start time and the end time as marked with the arrows and hit OK. Once done, you can now see the set time under the setting indication that it's up and running. If you don't want to rely on YouTube's restricted mode or YouTube Kids for your child's safe, you have another option that can create a firm barrier between your child and the inappropriate content present on YouTube. With the supervised experience, you can supervise your child's YouTube account completely. With this, you can manage their YouTube account remotely and even see their watch and search history. However, this feature is only limited if your child is 13 and under. For this, you'll have to create a Google account for your child and then link in with your YouTube account to set up a supervised experience. Once done, you can set various controls and restrictions. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.